2025 is coming to an end soon, so if you haven't finished using your dental benefits, you might want to consider booking that appointment. This morning, I'm introducing you to Sierra Dental in Airdrie, and I'm joined by Dr. Vinay, co-owner of this clinic. And Dr. Vinay, this clinic, you notice just how bright, airy, and welcoming it is. You don't feel like you're at a dentist at all.
Thanks so much for those kind words. Sierra Airdrie Dental is a very large, open, beautiful office, and the core of its values all come down to patient care.
Yeah, and there's a number of different ways that you really implement that here at your clinic. And the first one is having specialists in-house. Now, that's not very common.
No, it's a very unique concept just to this office in Airdrie. We have multiple dental specialists that are all within the same roof as our general dentists, such as endodontists, periodontists, oral surgery, and orthodontics as well. So it really does add a lot of convenience and save a lot of time for our patients, not having to leave Airdrie and for the most part go into Calgary to receive these specialty dental services.
Yeah, that's right. Not only can the general dentist here make those in-house referrals, but also the specialists themselves collaborate and work together to help your clients and patients.
Yeah, like myself being a general dentist, being able to communicate directly with the specialist, we're able to collaborate a lot easier, leads to better patient experience and better treatment results at the end.
Now, another way you really cater to your patients is the hours that you operate within. You're open weekends and evenings.
Yeah, mornings, weekends, evenings. We're just trying to make sure that we introduce a little bit more convenience factor back into the busy lifestyle everyone's leading these days. The last thing we really want is to have parents pull kids out of school or have adults take time off of work just to meet your dental needs. So whether you're trying to book in just for yourself or for your entire family, we're always willing to work with the patient's schedule.
That's fantastic to hear. Thank you so much, Dr. Vinay.
Thank you.
Now, of course, if you're interested in booking an appointment, Sierra Dental here in Airdrie has a few more appointments through the month of December. For more information, you can visit the website sierradental.ca/Airdrie. This morning, I'm in Airdrie at Sierra Dental, and I'm joined by Dr. Vinay, co-owner of this clinic. And Dr. Vinay, what's very unique about Sierra Dental here in Airdrie is that you offer in-house specialists. What kind of specialists do you guys offer?
So we have endodontists, periodontists, oral surgery, and orthodontists all in-house here.
Along with the general dentist?
Yeah, along with the general dentist, team of hygienists as well.
And so collectively, this really streamlines the level of care that you offer to your patients.
Yeah, me being a general dentist, if I need to refer my patients out to a specialty service, by keeping everything in-house, we're able to have the patient be seen by the specialist a lot more quickly, and then it's a much more seamless transition for care from myself to the specialist. And at the end of the day, again, saves this patient a lot of time from not having to go into Calgary to receive these specialty services.
Yeah, that's right. And oftentimes I can imagine a lot of cases can be complex, and being able to refer or even to ask one of the specialists in-house can really streamline that diagnosis process. Another way that you really cater to the care of your patients is through technology.
Yeah, so in this office at Sierra Dental Airdrie, we have intraoral scanners, which 3D maps your mouth in real time. This replaces the more messy traditional molds that we used to use. We have fully digital x-rays. We have 3D imaging, also known as cone beam CT, which allows us to look at your bones, your soft tissue, your teeth, all in one picture. And recently, we just invested into having radiographic AI software as well.
Interesting. Now, what are you hearing from your patients using this type of technology?
For specifically the radiographic AI, it helps to really improve the communication that I have with my patients, because with the help of the AI technology, it can really highlight the things that we as dentists are able to see when we're scanning everyday patients for all their x-rays. And having all these different pieces of technology in play allows for more efficient procedures to be done, allows for more accuracy in your procedures, and better patient experience. And all those things combined over time will give you a much better quality of care at the end.
That's right. I really like the radiographic AI allowing your patients to sort of follow along in their entire process. Thank you so much, Dr. Vinay.
Thank you.
Now, of course, 2025 is coming to an end soon, so if you haven't used up your dental benefits, now may be the time to book an appointment. Some appointments still open here at Sierra Dental in Airdrie. You can find out more information or book your appointment on the website sierradental.ca/Airdrie. I'm in Airdrie this morning at Sierra Dental Clinic, and I'm joined by co-owner Dr. Vinay now. And Dr. Vinay, oral health is really important. It's often considered the gateway to overall health.
Yes, oral health is linked to the health of the rest of the body, and by coming in to have regular checkups done, we could actually help to uncover some other health conditions that patients might not have been aware of before.
And one of these more serious conditions is oral cancer that dentists and the staff at dental clinics really can sort of see the early symptoms.
Yeah, it's one of the benefits of coming in to have regular dental checkups done. When anyone comes into Sierra Dental Airdrie, it's part of our standard of practice that you have a head and neck screening, oral cancer screening done. That way we're able to check everything, and if we can, catch stuff on the much earlier side before it turns into a much more serious complication.
Yeah, that's right. And so every appointment your patients come in for, there is a head and neck screening that is done. Walk me through this procedure.
So when you do a head and neck screening, you usually start from the outside and you go in, right? Outside meaning we feel along the lower parts of the jaw. We're looking at your throat, your airway. When you swallow, we're feeling for any lumps, bumps, irregularities. And once we've analyzed the outside, when you go to the inside, we're looking at all the hard tissue, which is the teeth, and all the soft tissue as well. In particular, the tongue, which is where a lot of common occurrences happen, where oral cancer tends to start.
Yeah, wow, and this isn't really something that you carve time out for. It's really just part of a standard appointment.
Yeah, built into the routine of the appointment. We might not be talking about it, but we're always looking for stuff.
That's great to know. Nice to know that you guys have our backs. Thanks so much, Dr. Vinay.
Thank you so much.
And of course, with the year coming to an end soon, if you haven't used your dental benefits, now may be the time to book an appointment. There are some openings left here at Sierra Dental in Airdrie. For more information or to book your appointment, you can visit the website sierradental.ca/Airdrie.